Dear students, today we discuss about the topic of physics first year. Topic name is show that the maximum height and range of projectile. Projectile means object are u square sin square theta by 2g and u square sin square theta by g. We have to show these two values respectively where the terms have their regular meanings. Now this is the look at the diagram. Here let us consider one object is projected into air with initial velocity. U is the initial velocity. The object is reaches to maximum height. At the maximum height, velocity of the object is 0. At the maximum height, velocity of the object is 0. S means displacement of the object. It is reaches to maximum height when the object is freely falling. From freely falling, acceleration due to gravity, it is vertically downwards direction. Acceleration due to gravity when the object is projected vertically upwards direction. Acceleration due to gravity but negative when the object is freely falling. Acceleration due to gravity plus g. Here the velocity u, initial velocity, is divided into two components. First component is ux is equal to u cos theta. Along horizontal direction, component is ux is equal to u cos theta. Along vertical direction, component is uy is equal to u sin theta. What we have to show? Maximum height of the object. Maximum height is h max. Maximum height. Now definition. Maximum vertical displacement along y-axis is called maximum height. Maximum height means h max. Maximum vertical displacement along y-axis is called maximum height. Now look at the diagram. Now here one object is projected vertically upward direction. It is reaches to maximum height and it is covers the maximum range. Maximum range means maximum displacement in horizontal direction is called range when the object is projected vertically upwards. So component is uy is equal to u sin theta. Now maximum height. So mathematical forms in this uy is equal to u sin theta. When the object is reaches maximum height, v is equal to 0. When object is projected vertically upwards direction, a is equal to minus g. When the object is reaches to maximum height, so displacement of the object s is equal to maximum height. Now using third kinematic equation of motion, when the object is in uniform motion, at the time three equations are possible. First equation, v is equal to u plus at. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus of at square. Your third equation is this one, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. The third kinematic equation of motion. Now substitute the values. V value, here v value is 0, you go 0 square minus u value, that is uy value. What is the uy value? U sin theta whole square. Uy place uy value substitute. U sin theta whole square is equal to 2as. A means acceleration due to gravity. Yes, displacement. Now acceleration due to gravity is minus g. So a place substitute minus g. Yes, s means displacement. What is the displacement? Maximum height. So maximum height is the displacement. V means final velocity. Final velocity becomes 0. Initial velocity is u sin theta whole square. 0 square means 0. 0 minus u sin theta whole square. U square sin square theta is equal to minus. Write down starting 2 into g into h. 2gh maximum. Now here we want h max, the maximum height value. Manaku kavalsindi maximum height value. So 2g is multiply with h. Right side bring to left side. Bring to left side. Left to it is 2g is divided with u square sin square theta. So maximum height is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Range. The maximum displacement horizontal direction along x-axis. The maximum displacement horizontal direction along x-axis is called range. Range is denoted by r. Now look at the diagram. Here object is covers not only vertical direction, it covers the horizontal direction also. In horizontal direction, the component is ux is equal to u cos theta. Your range here it is there. Range is denoted by r. Range, the maximum displacement horizontal direction along x-axis is called range. In this, ux is equal to u cos theta. T means time of flight. Time of flight is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Sir, what is mean by time of flight? Time of ascent plus time of descent. Time of ascent u sin theta by g. Time of descent also same, u sin theta by g. You can add time of ascent add with time of descent. You will get 2u sin theta by g. Now range r means initial velocity in horizontal direction multiplies with time of flight. Now r is equal to initial velocity here it is there, u cos theta into time of flight. Your time of flight value 2u sin theta by g. Substitute. So ux value u cos theta. Time of flight value 2u sin theta by g. Now here u into u square by g. R is equal to u into u square. Denominator is g. Now next to remaining 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to sin 2 theta. So here substitute 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin 2 theta, substitute. So 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to sin 2 theta by g. Now this is equal to r. Now next problem. This is problem beta. A force 2I plus j minus k Newton acts on a body. Force 2I plus j minus k, which is initially at rest at the end of 20 seconds. And after 20 seconds, when force is acting on the body, after 20 seconds, the body comes to rest position. The velocity of the body 4I plus 2j minus 2k meter second inverse. What is the mass of the body? We can find out the mass of the body. Now solution of the given problem. Force. How much force is acting on the body? 2I plus j minus k. Initial velocity of the body starting at rest position. Object is at rest position. So rest position initial velocity becomes 0. When object is displaced from one place to another place, taking of time is 20 seconds according to the problem. Final velocity when the object is reaches up to certain distance. So with final velocity is 4I plus 2j minus 2k. We can find out mass of the body, m value find out. From Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. We want m value. So a you can bring from right side to left side. F by a. A means what, sir? Acceleration. F means, sir, force. M, mass of the body. Acceleration. What is mean by acceleration? The rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Final velocity v, initial velocity becomes 0. Initial velocity is 0. Substitute 0. V minus 0 by t. So a is equal to v by t. Because of here 0, a is equal to v by t. So acceleration place, substitute v by t. Now here f is equal to ma, m value f by a. So acceleration pace, substitute this value, a is equal to v by t. So take and go to numerator. To f multiply with t. Denominator V. So m is equal to f into t by v. F plus f value. What is f value, sir? 2I plus j minus k. F value multiply with t. Taking of time 20 seconds by v. Final velocity 4I plus 2j minus 2k. Here denominator we can take common 2. 2 common taking 2. 2I plus j minus k. 2 tens are 20. Now numerator and denominator looking same. 2I plus j minus k, 2I plus j minus k cancel to each other. Remaining 10. So mass of the body 10 kg. Thank you.